Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can be earning massive money for yourself daily just by answering some simple survey questions and doing some simple tasks online and be getting paid. These tasks are you can be answering some simple questions, you can also be playing games, you can also be doing some micro job things online and be getting paid. That is what I'll be showing you guys in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, never you skip any part. Because if you decided to skip a part, you may miss some things that I'll be revealing in this video. So right now, I'll be taking you guys to my phone screen and show you this new platform which I just found that you can be answering some simple survey questions or be doing some simple tasks online and be getting paid. So I'll be showing you guys right now. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you're coming across to this channel, I am NupeflaverTV. In this channel, we'll teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can start using this new platform and be making massive money for yourself every day. Let's get started. So let's get started, and to get started all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to leave down the link to my Telegram channel. When you join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link to this platform on my Telegram channel together with the link of this video. So when you join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link of this platform. Now when you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this where you see do surveys, get paid, and from any new product, mobile, playing mobile games and watching videos too. Now as you can see, helping users make money since 2007. That means this platform has been in existence since 2007. Now to get started, all you have to do is to register, and to register, this is where you're going to register. You put your email address, your username and your password, and you click on this box and you click on join now, and you are going to be registered. Now let me register a new account. Purpose of this video and show you guys how this platform work. Now I just registered a new account, and this is the interface of the platform. As you guys can see, this is the interface of the platform. These are all survey which this platform is partner with, which you can just click on anyone and start doing surveys. As you can see, the first one here say your survey rota, complete a survey and get 80 points every time. So as you can see, this one's also, you can see different type of survey brands which you can click on and start doing surveys, and you start answering questions. Now when you click on this three dot here, this is where you see your earnings, and this is where you can redeem your money after you have earned a lot of money from this platform, and this is win also. Now let's click on earn. When you click on earn, you are going to see earn survey partners, daily surveys you have earned, offers, offer partners, refer us, daily pool. Now when you click on redeem again, you are going to see reward you have earned, consume, donate, and so more. When you click on win, you are going to see contact, pocket, all these things. Now I know a lot of people will be asking how will you withdraw your money, and also how will you perform surveys. Now to perform survey, any of the one that you want to click, for example you click this first one here. Now it will bring you to an interface like this where you are going to see you are about to take a survey by choosing specific for you or by challenge. Please answer all questions. Then you click on agree. Then when you click on agree, you click on begin surveys. When you click on begin surveys, it's going to take you to where you're going to begin your surveys. As you can see, say welcome to challenge, start answering surveys. Then you click on start surveys, and when you click on start surveys, then you start answering some surveys questions and you start making money. Now you can also go back. Now I don't want to answer any survey, so let me go back. This is just a video. Let me come back. Now this is the platform again. As you can see, this is the one I click. This second one is the one I click. Now you can try any of it. Now after you have earned some money in the platform and you want to withdraw, all you have to do is just to click on this three dot, and when you click on this three dot, you click on earn. Now when you click on earn, you are going to earn partners. Now when you click on earn partners, sorry, this is where you also can do survey. Sorry, I make a mistake. When you click on, if you want to withdraw your money, you click on redeem. When you click on redeem, you are going to see reward. Here when you click on reward, this is where you are going to see monies you have earned. Get gift card. So this is where you are going to see your money, how you are going to withdraw your money. Now this is their withdrawal method here. As you can see,
give through gift card, or this gift card you can use it to withdraw your money. If you have 1000 PTS, that is the coin you will have after you answer surveys. So this is some of their withdrawal method. Now when you go back again, you can also try another one, which is customize. When you click on customize, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see customize pizza, see a lot of things. Now as you can see, total cost, name, URL, all these ones. Now you come back, you click on donate here, that is you're going to see the donate list. So this is how this platform work. You can check it out, and if you're okay with it to try it, you can try it. So this is how this platform work, that you can be answering some simple survey questions and you'll be getting paid just by answering simple survey questions. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do it, hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.